Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this. It's a 4-pack silicone little holder for soaps and shampoos and whatnot. Sorry, it's all crinkly. So let's take a look at this. So let me get rid of the bag. This is a little tag if you want to see it. So here we go. So it comes with, I don't know what colors these are. I don't know if there's 4 different colors or if it's 2 and 2. These two look all the same. But I'm thinking they're slightly different. So if you can see colors, unlike me, I'm colorblind, you probably see differences. And then these are these, so there. So that's what it is. So let's take a look at how these are. They have a little snap on there, so you can open it up and take them out if you want to just have the little bottle. If you were using it for something, it'll stand up very easy. I don't know if that you can see right there, it'll stand up. So if you're going somewhere and you want to bring shampoo to a hotel or something like that, super easy to bring it in this little one here. It would hold probably enough for a few days, I guess, depending on how long your hair is. For me, my hair's very short. It would last, probably could hold a week's worth. But let's see, so let's clip it back in here. So then here we have this, and then we have the little thing there, and it goes in retractable string, and the string is 2 feet maybe, and then it's got the little clip so you can clip it on your belt, or it's got a little carabiner kind of apparatus here so you could clip it onto something else, so like your backpack or whatever like that, so you can have it super easy. If you're going to somewhere, Disney World or whatever like that, you can just have it in your backpack and go squirt some sanitizer. So let's see how it works. So we'll see. So you can open it up this way and squeeze the stuff out, or you can unscrew it, and that's how you put it in there. But also you could kind of take it apart there to clean it and everything. It comes with all the easiness to access it. So let me put it back together here. So there, that's what it looks like. And let's fill it up with some hand sanitizer. So let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, it's got more squirts than I could ever have. So this probably one little thing here would be good for a whole day at Disney World or something. So then let's screw it back on. So there we go. Let's see, it's not leaking or anything, so that's good. It's a good first step. So no leaks. Let's try it out here. So if I had it clipped on, and I could pull it out, and then I could flip the top, and let's squeeze a little bit out. So you can see it comes out pretty easy, and stays in when it's not there. So you kind of have to squeeze it for it to come out. I got it pretty full, and there we go. Close back up again, so that's nice, and it stays good. I can even squeeze it. It's not popping open or anything, which is kind of nice. And then there's my sanitizer. I got it all over myself now. Ooh, this stuff is alcoholic. This is, I don't know what the heck kind of brand is this. But okay, so there we go. So that's how it works. Ooh, it smells like alcohol in here. But there you go, and it comes with a little keychain too, so you can have your keys on it. So it's like basically a keychain, or you can unhook the little thing and just have it as a keychain, as an extendable keychain, or use it as the sanitizer. And you see, even though it's full, it's still got some spring to it. It gets back in there, so if I had it on my backpack, it's still gonna retract. I'm guessing if I bounce enough, it's probably gonna, it'll bounce out. But hey, you get what you get. And so it comes with 4 of these things. So you can either have one for everybody, or if you're going to use it for travel or something, well, this one here now, I already have full for sanitizer. I could have one with shampoo, one with conditioner, and one with something else. I don't know what. But there we go. So this is the 4-pack. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. So there's a link in there. Be sure to like my video and subscribe too, because I definitely want more subscribers. But and this is what it is here. It was the 4-pack silicone, let me see, where was it? 4-pack portable silicone retractable keychain carrier. So that's what it is. And go ahead and pick one up if you need one. Definitely convenient. I'll be bringing this with me tonight. I'm gonna go hopefully drive around and maybe go look at Christmas lights or something like that. It's that time of year here. But there we go. So thanks for watching, everyone, and subscribe, like, and links in the description. Thanks, bye. Oh, I can push the button on my remote.